Welcome to How to Read a Scientific Paper, a 5-step method designed specifically for biology students. Scientific papers can be dense, but mastering them is crucial for your studies and future career. Let's make it easier. Do you ever download a paper, read the abstract, and then get completely lost in the materials and methods? You're not alone. It's a common pain point for many students. In this video, I'm going to show you a 5-step method that researchers use to read papers faster, understand them better, and find the one piece of information they actually need. Let's kick things off with step 1, the why. This initial step is all about quickly determining the paper's relevance. For this step, you'll read the abstract and the conclusion. These sections provide a concise overview and the key takeaways. Your goal here is to understand the main question the research addresses, the main finding, and the so what, its broader implications. Before you commit, spend 60 seconds finding out if this paper is even relevant to you. Now, let's move on to step 2, the story. This is where we uncover the core narrative of the research. For this crucial step, ignore the methods for now. Jump directly to the figures and tables. These visuals often tell the most compelling part of the story. This is the core of the video. The figures are the results, and the text is just the author explaining them. Look at the graphs. What is on the x-axis? What is on the y-axis? What is the main trend? This is the story. Next up, we have step 3, the interpretation. This is where you see how the authors connect the dots. For this step, read the discussion section. This part of the paper provides the author's analysis of their findings. Your goal is to see how the authors interpret the story you just saw in the figures. Do you agree with their interpretation? Did they miss anything? This is where you start thinking critically about the research. Now let's tackle step 4, the how. This is where we finally delve into the specifics of the experimental design. Finally, scan the materials and methods section. You don't need to memorize every detail here, but focus on the key elements. Your goal is to answer specific questions. What model system did they use, e.g., cell line, animal? What was the key technique, e.g., PCR, Western blot, microscopy? You don't need to memorize buffer concentrations, just the core approach. And for our final step, step 5, what's next? This helps you extend your learning beyond the current paper. For this step, look at the references section. This is a valuable resource for finding more information. If this paper was useful, find the cited by list on Google Scholar. The best way to learn a topic is to follow the chain of research, leading you to your next relevant paper. To wrap things up, let's briefly recap our 5-step method for efficiently reading scientific papers. We covered abstract/conclusion, figures, discussion, methods, and references. This strategic approach helps you master scientific literature. Now that you know how to read a paper, what about writing one? In my next video, I'll cover the 3 biggest mistakes students make in their first lab report. Subscribe so you don't miss it.